Hi everybody, it's Sandy. I'm so excited to do this painting right now because I just updated, kind of remodeled my paint studio and I have better lighting. I'm hoping that this video is going to be the best one yet. And I've got the white already to go on the canvas. It's 12 by 12 and I need to give it a torch because it's definitely got some bubbles in it. Just mixed up the white. Again, the paint is about 50% of the paint, and then the water glue mixture is 50-50. The glue mixture I use is the Mod Podge and water mixed. So we're gonna look like, it's gonna look like, sorry, that is a bunch of paint, but it's really not because it's glue and water mixed as well. And this painting I've not done yet. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. This could be interesting. Could be fabulous. So I'm going to use a pop bottle that's got the bottom cut off and a couple of little holes drilled in. And I'm going to put it right in the center of the canvas. And I'm going to be using some neon colors, which I have not done in a long time actually. So I have some blue ready to go, just to give you a hint of the consistency. That's how it pours off the stick. All right, I've got the blue, I've got some yellow, we got some neon green, and I've got neon pink, and then I've also got that ready to pour stuff that I showed in my last video. I'm going to be doing the, what is it? It's bright blue, it's called, right out of the bottle. Don't mix it with anything, they say. And my last painting turned out beautiful. And this one, which is the tropical, no, sorry, turquoise blue. Those are the colors I'm going to pour on here. It's going to be really bright, I hope. And let's see what happens. All right, I'm just going to do each color at a time. It's going to slowly pour off here. Then I'm going to pull this up and I'm probably going to take a blow dryer to it because that's usually what I like to do. So I'm going to start first with my turquoise. And I'm just going to go around here, hoping it's going to flow all the way down those wonderful little curves on the bottle. Then I'm going to do the bright blue. And then I'm going to add some white. Even though there's white prepped on the canvas, I still want to have some white layering through there as well. Okay, now how about we do some neon green. I feel like I should have music playing or something. Or a drum roll, yeah. And I'm going to do the neon blue. There we go. And I think I'm going to add some more white. I know you're all saying, holy, that's a lot of paint. Nah, it's good. Okay, what do I want to do now? I don't want to mix that yellow and make it a yucky color if it mixes with something. I'm going to do yellow. I'm going to be brave. Here comes the yellow. The pattern on here is looking really cool so far. Okay, and with that yellow, I'm going to do a little bit more white. Then we're going to do some more the bright blue. And we don't have the pink on there yet, do we? Let's do the pink now. This pink is a really pretty color. Okay. Now I think I'm going to do some more white. And what do we want to end with? Maybe a little bit more of the neon green. Let's go for it. There we go. Let's see. That's some pretty funky coloring going on. Yep, I think that's good. I'm just going to let it sit for a minute. Let it do its thing. Bring my lid over here to put it on because it'll be a little bit messy. Yep, I'm going to go for it. Okay, it's coming up. Wonder if I can blow on it and get some of that paint out. Watch, I'm going to wear it all over my face. I'll do it gently. There we go. I don't feel like I'm wasting so much paint. I know that sounds silly, right? With everything I just did. There we go. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it looks really cool. Now, do I want to try and pull out a design? No, I think I'm going to blow dry it. It looks really neat. Let's torch it before I blow dry. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is I put in the neon colors, just the neon colors, I put about 2 drops each of some silicone just to try it out, just the silicone here, just to try it out to see if I like the cells or not. I'm not 100% sold on these paintings that got all crazy kinds of cells in it, but I figured I'd try it on this one. Okay, so I'm going to blow this out. So I'm going to puddle, I should say, some white all the way around because I want to make sure I've got enough to get that paint moving. Okay, I'm going to wreck this pretty neon painting. 1, 2, 3, we're going. I need more white on there because I wanted to cover more, so I'm going to stop. I'm going to put more white and then start again here. Okay, so I'm going to let that white sit for just 5-10 seconds and then I'll blow it out. It just helps blend the colors more as I blow it out, and it obviously activates the cell because you can probably see right now there's a lot going on right now. Okay, here we go. Wow, that looks really neat. Okay. Oh, that's exciting. Look at all those awesome colors in there. Wow. Okay, let's give it a little torch. think I need to blow this section right here a little bit. I don't know if you can see a little bit of pink in there that needs to move a little bit. I'm just going to give it a little blow. That looks really neat. I'm going to lift it again. Didn't that turn out awesome? Oh, I'm so happy with that. Excellent. First painting in my new studio, and it turned out really cool. Thanks everybody for watching.